Hey everybody, welcome back to the Barndo channel. This is Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. On this week's episode, we're outside of Linden, Texas to bring you the final completed tour of a beautiful barndo we're calling the Hilltop Barndominium. This layout is 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. We do have a 45 by 30 shop that we built on the property as well, and you'll see that the color schemes match on the house and the barn. The exterior walls that we've got are charcoal gray. Our roof is also charcoal gray, and then you'll notice our trim around our windows, doors, and our corners is also that same charcoal color. We do have cedar wrapped post on the front and back porch, and then our homeowner has chosen to do tongue and groove soffits that we've stained to match those cedar wrapped posts. This is a beautiful layout. We've got a little over, I believe we have 28, 29 windows in this layout, a lot of natural light coming inside, and when we get inside, you're going to see a ton of beautiful trim finish out on the interior. I'm excited to bring you the tour. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and do that now. We would love to have questions and comments in the comment area below. And don't forget, ring that bell so that you can get notifications each and every time that we post content here on the Barndo channel. We have our social media outlets. Those are TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. You can check us out there. And then, of course, our website, 1845barndominiums.com. If you or anybody else you know is interested in getting the process started with 1845 of making their dream home become a reality, whether that's with floor plans, a turnkey build like the Hilltop, a shell build, or even a kit package to be delivered to your personal build site, we would love to talk to you about how to get that process started. You can fill out a little bit of information online for us. One of our sales team members would love to talk to you how to get that process started with 1845 Barndominiums. So I'm excited to bring you the completed tour today. Let's head inside and take a look at the Hilltop Barndominium outside of Linden, Texas. All right, folks, so let's head in the front door and give you a look at the interior of the Hilltop Barndo. You're going to see right off the bat, this is going to be a beautiful build. Interior, a lot of interior trim work. When we walk in the front door, we're in the dining area, kind of in between our kitchen and living area. And we've got a lot of stonework to show you in here. All of the stone that you'll see in here is faux stone. And then we've got wrapped beams, faux beams throughout the home. Those are going to be spruce that we've stained. And the goal was to match the floors with those faux beams. So in the kitchen area, we've got shaker panel cabinetry. I'm going to take you back here and give you a look at this. We've got floating shelves, so you can see we've got our shaker panel cabinets here. Our countertops are granite. They're called a mist black, and they have a honed finish on those. We've got floating shelves on both sides of our oven range combo here, and then our vent hood painted to match all of the cabinetry. Floating shelves on the other side here, and you can see the faux stone work all along the back side here, and this stone extends up to the ceiling area in the kitchen here. So I'll show you a little bit of that. We've got tongue and groove on the ceiling as well, and you can see our stone work that ties in there. And then we've got our island here. I'm going to turn around here and show you the island. Again, mist black is that granite color with a honed finish. We've got our dishwasher in the island. We've got our sink in the island, as well as our microwave that is a pull-out drawer microwave there. But just to give you an idea of your view from the sink here. So if I'm standing at the island sink, I can see that TV is going to be mounted above the mantle there. And then we've got our fireplace, but a beautiful view from the kitchen sink. We've got our back porch, French doors leading out to the back porch there. And then we come into the living area and you can see a continuation of the stonework. So we've got stone, that entire wall is faux stone. We've got our floating shelves that match our beams. And you can see we've got mantle here, fireplace, and we've got it prepped for our TV. You can see the plugs and outlets there for our TV. Now I'm going to take you back and show you on the left side and the right side, you can see a hallway that leads us to matching bedrooms. So I'm going to take you back and show you. On the right side here, if we go back, you've got bedroom there towards the back. But right off the living room, we've got bathroom here with single vanity, single mirror, and then we've got pocket door here leading us into the toilet and shower area. We've got cabinetry above our toilet. We've got pebble floor throughout this entire area, and we have a subway tile for our shower. We've got double shower niche there, and then you can see our pebble floor also over into our toilet area. Now the flooring for the main house is engineered hardwood, and you'll see as we go through, the beams that we've got throughout this house were stained to match the floors. So this is bedroom number 2. We've got faux beams here as well. A lot of custom trim work inside this house. It's a beautiful, beautiful interior. So we've got lots of natural light. I'm going to come in and show you the windows here. Each of these rooms has 3 windows, black exterior, black interior. Got a beautiful view of the property and a lot of natural light coming in throughout the entire build. You're going to see a lot of windows as we go through this layout, and it's just letting tons of natural light into the house, and it's beautiful. So if we go to the other side, I'm going to show you the matching bedroom over here. You're going to see identical room here. So we've got single vanity here, and then you'll see as we step in here, we've got a pocket door as well, pebble floor for our toilet area, cabinetry above, and then just like the other bathroom over there, we've got subway tile for our shower, pebble floor, double shower niche there. And as we step out, we'll go back to bedroom number 3, down the hallway a little bit, and you'll be able to see the custom beams in here as well. I'll take you and show you those. And then we've got double doors. I didn't show you this on the others, but we've got double doors there for our closet area. And then just tons of natural light. As I walk around the room here, you can see all the windows letting in lots of natural light into the layout. So if we head back out, down the hallway here, back into the living area. So we've got, again, living and kitchen, just to give you another view of that, another angle of the beam work there, the trim work and the stone work. So as we head down the right side here, I'm going to show you a couple of things down this hallway. Now at the end of that hallway, we've got one of the coolest rooms in the entire house. I'm going to save that for just a second. Behind our kitchen, we have a butler's pantry area. A little different cabinet color here. We've got our same mist black granite countertops, same flooring. I'm going to take you down a little bit here. We've got floating shelves as well as upper cabinets and lower cabinets in here. We've got pantry space here. We've got some pull out. That's more of a broom closet type area right there. Some cleaning supplies. And then we've got our washer and dryer behind the double doors here. So as we back out of there, you can see we've got a pass through over to the master side as well. So this is a pass through butler's pantry behind the kitchen. And then we've got master bathroom actually connects over here as well. We'll walk through that in just a second, but we've got a sink here. This sink, and you can see the toilet room is actually accessible from what we're going into now is the bunk room. So this is a really cool custom room here. We've got a single slope roof. You can see we've got wrapped faux beams on that single slope. And then we've got bunk beds here. So these are custom built into the layout. And we've used threaded pipe for our ladders. And then the accent wall behind those that you can see, that's actually pallet wood that our trim carpenter, Jackie, took really good care of us here. Did a lot of great trim work on the inside. And then underneath, I'm going to go over here and show you, we've got trundle beds here as the pull out. So we can actually sleep 6. So each bed, if I were to go over here underneath, we've got another trundle bed there that we can actually sleep 6 comfortably in our bunk room here. So I'm going to take you through the master bath to get us over to the master bedroom. And like I said, just off the bunk room, we have this sink and toilet area that is able to use almost like a half bath here that they can use. And then we've got a door here that we can kind of close them off from the master shower area. So we've got a subway tile shower, oversized shower here with pebble floor, matches the other bathrooms. And then we've got our master closet tied in here in the bathroom. And then for the master over here, we've got double sink vanity. So this is really kind of a dual purpose bathroom area. We actually have 3 sink vanities, single toilet, single shower, but it can be accessed from our bunk room or our master bedroom back here. So here we are coming into the master. We've got vaulted ceiling in the master, and you can see more beams, more trim work. So those are spruce wrapped beams that were stained to match the floors. And I'm going to give you kind of a 360 here to take us back out. But you can see that beam work from this angle. And then we've got 3 windows in this room. I believe we have a total of 29 windows in this layout. And it's just allowing so much natural light to come in to the house. So we go back down the hallway, we go by the master bath, by the butler's pantry, and here we come back into the main living area. So this turned out to be just a gorgeous build. A lot of interior trim, finish work, a lot of stone work inside. You can see all the windows. That's actually the front porch there. We've got a dining table in the center here, and then one more look at that kitchen area. Our homeowner has done a wonderful job with the interior color selections, the stain collection, selections. Everything in here just ties in so nicely. And so that's going to wrap up our interior tour. I'm going to head outside and wrap this tour up. Again, this is the Hilltop Barndo, a little over 2,600 square foot outside of Linden, Texas. All right, that's going to wrap up our tour for this week. Again, we're outside of Linden, Texas to bring you the Hilltop Barndominium. This turned into a really beautiful build inside and out. Homeowner did a great job with landscaping on the exterior and did a wonderful job on the interior with their color schemes and their stains and the stone and how everything came together inside and out. Again, we have 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a little over 2,600 square foot, and everything on this property ties in really, really nicely. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and do that now. We would love to have questions and comments in the comment area below. And don't forget, ring that bell so that you can get notifications each and every time we post content here on on the Barndo channel and keep up with all of our builds with 1845 Barndominiums. You can check out our social media pages, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and then of course our website, 1845barndominiums.com. If you or anybody you know is interested in getting the process started with floor plans, a shell build, a turnkey build like the Hilltop here, or even a kit package to be delivered to your build site, we would love to talk to you about how to get that process started. You could fill out a little bit of information online, submit that to us. Our sales team members would love to reach out to you and talk to you about how to get the process started of making your dream home a reality with 1845 Barndominiums. I hope you all enjoyed the tour today. I'll see you again next week on the Barndo channel.